Yeah.
Yeah,
Wanted to reconnect.
yeah, that's right. That's right. Because we both turn up to all these Zooms, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So bring me up to speed. How are things going? What's happening for you?
Well, since my wreck, I've been just restructuring my business and kind of cleaning house, I guess.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what sorts of things have you done and what are you focused on?
Well, the I started just before my wreck, and gotten started again on it. I was I have a mentor that is teaching me pre-foreclosures.
Okay.
I say, and our goal is he has what he calls his baker's dozen.
Yeah.
I say he's got 13 ways to stop foreclosure,
All right.
and
Okay.
his goal
That's
is
kind of
to stop as many foreclosures as he can.
all right. Cool.
And we start at the top where we try to stop the foreclosure and keep the person in the house.
Mm.
And
Oh,
then we
keep the
work down the
person in the
list.
house. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, explain a little bit more on that because that's pretty unusual. They can't usually afford it. That's why they're
Well,
for.
you got stuff that deal with the bank and basically take the missing payments, put them on extend the loan back out and
Hmm.
put those payments on the end of the loan and structure it where they have a lower payment.
I see. I got you. So you're asking them what they can afford and then do a loan modification to fit that. The
Yeah,
monthly.
we do a loan mod.
I see. Hmm. That's a good tactic.
I say, but if the bank doesn't want to work, then we just continue down the list.
Yeah.
I say if it comes to the point where they have to sell a house, we'll do like a short sale
Hmm.
and there's no obligation to sell to us, but we're there.
Yeah, I got you.
I say if they sell to us, we say pick 5 zip codes
Hmm.
and whatever zip code they pick, we help them move there and make sure they have a place to move into when they get there.
Hmm. Okay.
And then we spend the next year to 2 years helping them fix their credit so they can go back and buy a house again.
Oh, very good. That's really very good indeed. So, how many of these deals has you your mentor done? How many has he done?
Oh, he's done a whole bunch. I say
Yeah.
he's been in real estate since like 1980.
Oh, wow. Okay. He's an old dude like me then, huh?
Yeah.
That's funny.
So he actually works in like the multi-million dollar realm.
Yeah.
The foreclosures are just like a passion project for him.
Oh, I see. I see.
He doesn't want people losing their house if he can stop it.
Yeah. Oh, I like that. That's right. All about helping people, and that's only gonna help, isn't it? As well. So that's good. That's very worthwhile. So that's what you're focused on right now, then.
That and I'm learning to be a PML broker.
Oh, okay. Who are you doing that with?
Nancy Dunn.
Okay. All right. Very good.
She's actually a licensed broker in 2 states
Oh, nice. Okay.
and working on being a mortgage broker.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because I did the broker thing with Lee Arnold. He does Coco Capital,
Yeah, I
PML.
know Lee Arnold.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, it was an expensive program though. Not many
I
people want to pay
think
that
that's
much.
part of why I didn't get into it.
Yeah, yeah, it's very expensive, so I wouldn't really recommend it. That's one of the ones that I probably shouldn't have done. But yeah. But anyway, yeah, you probably seen I'm writing a couple of books right now on large multifamilies. One on commercial, one on multifamily specifically, but that's what I'm trying to get into. And So I'm building up my network with that regard through my restarting my YouTube channel and trying to follow a lot what JJ talks about. You've been trying to become more visible as I like to be more in the background, but you can't be in the background in this game, right? You got to
Now I'll
become
say
visible. Yeah. So
nobody notices you.
that's right. Yeah. I'm comfortable with that really, but I shouldn't be. So I'm trying to get the word out there, So um it's a passive you can have like a passive role, if you find others who do have money, who want to deploy their money, then certainly show them the direction, as it were. You can point the way. That would be fantastic. That's one way you can help my business grow. Yeah, as well. So. Yeah, so what can we do to help you with your foreclosure thing? Have you come across?
Foreclosure thing right now, I have to go back and
Yeah,
rebuild my uh teams that I had in my markets
okay.
because I've looked and I've looked. I cannot find their contact information. I can't find where I put it.
Oh, wow.
I know I had it before my wreck, and I don't know where I put it since then.
Yeah, wow, wow. Yeah, that was a big challenge in your life, that wreck for sure, wasn't it? It messes a lot of things up for sure.
Yeah, the every nurse and doctor I've talked to
Mm,
said 9 out of 10 people that went through what I did don't survive.
wow, wow. Well, you can count your blessings there, Troy, yeah? Yeah, you survived.
Yeah,
So,
that's where I said
yeah.
I've used 2 of my 9 lives.
Okay.
First one,
Well, don't
first
use the
one
other
was my
ones, all right?
motorcycle wreck, and
Yeah.
then this one. I don't want a
Uh,
chance at a third time.
no, that's right. No, that's right. Because we only get one shot at this game, one life, as far as we know anyway. I think we only have one life, so gotta make the most of it while we're here. Yeah.
As some religions, you might come back as a dung beetle.
Yeah, that wouldn't suit me. I don't think I'd choose that one. That wouldn't work. Yeah, for me. Yeah. So what can I do to help you?
Say right now, I'm looking for either people that have funds and want to deploy them, or people that are looking for funds and need. Right now, I'm personally the one dealing with the PMLs that we had on our list when we switched CRMs.
Yeah.
We lost questions, we lost information, stuff like that.
Mm,
So I'm going through all the PMLs and filling in all the missing holes and
mm,
seeing whether they have their funds deployed or if they have funds available.
yeah. Yeah. That's a moving target for sure. Especially if it is truly private money. That's a situation that changes on a daily basis. So
Yeah.
it's which can be a good thing because it keeps you in contact with those. I think a handful where they've got it going is very useful. I came across have you come across Ryan Schroep? Um he's
Oh,
got a
don't know that name.
he's got a community going. Let me find out. He might that group might it's called Fundwise. It's we can check this out. Most of a whole load of gators and PMLs are in this.
Yeah, that's what we've got a lot of short-term lenders.
Yeah.
We've been trying to find people that go like a year
Hmm.
at least,
Okay.
because that's usually at least how long um, like a fix and flip will last. It'll be like 9, 12 months, somewhere in there.
Right, right. Yeah.
Some people prefer to have like, they want to try to get like the 3, 5, and 7 year loan.
Hmm. Yeah, more. Yeah, that's that's even beyond hard money is usually up to, at least the ones I've done, is 24 months. So beyond 2 years is a long time for hard money or PMLs. Certainly, it's more.
It's all in the how you set up the contract, how much
Yeah,
money they're getting back,
right.
all that.
Yeah, yeah,
I say we do have brokerages and funds we can draw off of.
yeah. That's good. Yeah, because I'm always looking for capital raise with the large multifamilies. So that's something that I'm concentrating on as well. So we're talking about big money for this. We're talking millions of dollars, not just a few thousand. So
Yeah,
yeah,
that I say I'm constantly being sent large multifamily,
you are.
and
Huh?
I look at them, and I underwrite them, but their numbers are always off.
Yeah, they are. Because if you got them on market, they would be. So you need them off market. And you need to get on the VIP list with these brokers, or at least get the broker to be able to give you the whisper price, what's called the whisper price, which is not the price that they're advertising at. Yeah. So when you do underwrite them, when they come out with a number, that's what you could submit an LOI for those and see what the broker says. So yeah.
That's what I've been trying to tell the people that are helping me learn underwriting.
Hmm.
Said, give me the number that does work so I can submit it back to the broker.
Correct.
Say, this is why we came up with that number.
Yeah, that's right. Yes. And it's all about the numbers. So, and you explain what the comparable cap rates are in that area, and you work off that and then able to give a fair market price, per door and what have you. Um, yeah, but I went through all that with a recent workshop that we did. So, yeah, yeah. There's a lot
I say
to
I
it.
try to pay attention to properties that are 40 doors or more.
Oh yes, yes, at least it's really 100 because of scalability when it comes to property management, getting them and managing the asset. So it's ironically a bit more expensive maintenance when they're smaller as well. It tends to be um, a little rougher in rougher areas usually. Those as well. So not always, but predominantly. Mm.
Well, I get a lot of C class properties. I
Okay.
do get some B class. I rarely, but I do occasionally get an A class.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, very good. Yeah, we're looking for C-class building as in a B-class location. That's one of our
Yeah,
that we look for. And of course the value add. We like them, although it's very rare, uh, to be known for a really long time. And there's usually lots that we could do to improve the place. So yeah.
yeah, that's the trick with multifamily is getting that value add, not just a turnkey.
Yes, yes. Let me invite you, Troy, to my YouTube channel, and because certainly if you get deals, you can bring them to my attention, and we can work on those together to acquire them.
Good morning.
Let me put that in the chat for you
Oh,
as well. So
I'll
if
show
I,
you something I came across. It, I tell people, I said it's good for if you're going to be a lender, you're going to be vetted. Let's say, and some people get bent out of shape over it. But if you go to someplace like that, they kind of pre-vet you,
All right.
if you will.
Okay. Oh, very good. Yeah. Bit like what Mel Palmer does. Yeah. Uh, sort of thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. Very good. Yeah, it gives you some credibility, doesn't it? So
yeah.
that's really cool. That's good. And do they like give you a badge or you can put some letters after your name or something? You do that? Or they just
How the whole process works, I don't know yet.
I see, okay.
Let's say the person I'm working with is the one that knows more about this particular site than I do.
All right, okay. That'll be good. Yeah, get that going. All right,
But I
can't
try
believe
to,
our time has gone already, Troy. I've got another
yep.
call coming up, but I'm glad to catch up with you. Don't be a stranger, all right? Book a call with me whenever you got something to share or something I question or something I can do to help, you know? Hmm.
If I find something, what areas are you looking for your multifamilies?
Predominantly red states, of course, mainly southeast. I'll do Phoenix. I'll also do Oklahoma. But I'm in Knoxville, so I like Knoxville. I like further south. I like Texas, Georgia,
About Tulsa.
Tulsa, Oklahoma. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. There's lots of multifamilies there. We'll look at them, certainly see how they pencil out. Yeah.
Say I haven't underwritten them yet, but I've got a few, I think, in Tulsa.
Yeah. There seems to be a lot there. I don't know how they pencil out. So I've noticed there's a lot there. So I might dive deeper into that, and see how they pencil out. But certainly, if you help me with an acquisition, some then of course you'll be part of the team. It's a nice payday at the end of the day, because you get an acquisition fee,
Yep.
part of the acquisition fee, which is we shoot for 5% of the purchase price. So if you're talking about 20 million we take down, it's $1 million payday at closing, the acquisition fee. So we talk about big money. So
Yep.
yeah, it's worth doing a bit of work on them. Yep.
I say, and then roll that into the next deal.
Yeah, that's right. Exactly right. Yep. All right, Troy. Thank you for connecting with me. You have a wonderful day. All right.
You too.
Right.
See you at the next
Yeah.
meeting.
Yeah. Next meeting. Bye bye for now.